Good morning and welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Low clouds slowly eroding away this morning with some high clouds out there as well, but sun's starting to break through after we had quite the rainy day yesterday and into the evening hours, getting about 7/10 of an inch of precipitation here, but we should see things start to clear and dry out next couple days. If we take a look at the current surface analysis, that boundary that was off to our west is starting to break apart and just break down, and that system that impacted the area yesterday and into the evening is well off to the northeast, so things should be drying out. We'll have that high pressure building in from the southwest into our area for the next couple days. Taking a look at this morning's balloon launch and the upper level winds. We have winds out of the northwest in the lowest 3,000 feet, about 18 to 21 knots, and then they turn to be more west-southwesterly at 6,000 feet and above, and increasing in intensity, getting up to about 134 knots at 25,000 feet. The freezing level today is at 6,600 feet. So if we take a look at the current satellite imagery, we can see those clouds starting to thin out over the region and push off the coast. We should see some high clouds, maybe some mid-level clouds hanging around throughout the day, but the sunshine should really start showing through as we get into the afternoon. Looking at the short-term high-resolution model for the next couple days, again we see clear conditions for the next couple days, and high pressure building in. Should have a nice few days ahead of us before a chance for some weekend precipitation. But a weak cold front moves in Wednesday night into Thursday, but expect it to be pretty dry and just be more of a kind of a drop the temperatures a bit for our area. If we look into the long-term outlook, starting Thursday morning, you can see that boundary off to the west, but again stays pretty dry as it moves into our area. Now otherwise we get a couple more days where high pressure kind of dominates things, and then a trough starts to dig down into the central U.S. and move eastward, and we can see that with some precipitation associated, but by the time it gets to us, it should be fairly dry, but we could see that interact with some energy down to the southeast and kick up a low pressure system off the coast. Models have backed off a bit on some of the precipitation, but still bringing in a chance for some rain, maybe a slight chance of some wintry mix mixed in there, but we'll be keeping an eye on that to see how it trends and update everything as we go. And after that system moves off, we'll definitely see a change in temperatures, and these next few days of mild temperatures will be out of here. So if we take a look at the 24-hour weather risk chart, again, we'll see those clouds start to taper off, leaving just some high clouds in the area as we get into the evening hours. High today in the mid upper 40s, around 46 degrees. As we go into the evening hours, we'll see maybe some high clouds hanging around, maybe a chance of clear skies as well. That'll allow the temperatures to drop quite a bit to upper 20s, right around 30 degrees. Winds today, fairly light out of the west-northwest. Currently at this time, it's about 8 knots, and the temperature's at about 40 degrees. We can expect that to continue before those winds will start to back off into the evening and become relatively calm or light and variable. Looking at the next 7 days, again tomorrow or the next couple of days, we'll see some nice temperatures and just clear conditions with temperatures at or just above average for this time of year. Wednesday through Friday, we'll see highs in the low 50s and temperatures in the morning around mid to lower 30s. As we get into the weekend, we'll see some of those clouds start to build in, and a real mild day for Saturday as that southern flow comes up ahead of that front. High of about 55 degrees, but we will see those clouds start to build in and temperatures drop as that cold front makes it to our area for Sunday into Monday. Again, we have the chance for some precip Sunday evening into Monday morning, but we'll be keeping an eye on how the models trend with that uh, and updating this as we go. That about wraps up your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope you enjoy your day. We'll be back again at 8:15 and 10 a.m. tomorrow.